down to the beach. Got my Bloody Mary. The contractors and electricians are at the house working, so we came to the beach to get a little break. And the water is like super turquoise and blue, and the sun is out. There's 0 clouds. It's amazing today. So busy day tomorrow. I've got to work all day. Mike's got to take the puppy to the vet, so we are relaxing while we can for probably 1 hour. I put sunscreen on my face, guys. By the way, I just woke up from a nap because apparently I made myself a really strong drink, but I did not put sunscreen here. So, oh my God, that's like 2 perfect lines. I messed up.
Yeah, that's not.
All right, guys, we got these Embark dog DNA tests. We got it for the Doberman first, but we're also gonna do one on Callie just to see her health history and, you know, where she came from. It literally tells you like grandparents, great grandparents, blah, 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 if they have any health issues and stuff like that. So we're gonna do both of the dogs and send them off.
Swab lower cheek pouches.
You just swab it, put it back in there.
30 to 60 seconds, and then soak. Her head's so tiny, it won't fit. Look at this swab.
It's huge. It's okay. It's okay. Good. Good girl.
You're gonna bite it, aren't you? Because you're an idiot. Alright.
Good girl. See, Callie, you weren't the only one tortured.
I don't care. Say it again. See what happens. Oh. Oh, you think you're big? Yeah? Well, do something about it. Yeah, that's what I thought. All I did was move it. What?
You have an attitude.
You being sassy? What? You won't say it if I stand up.
Are you done?
You want me to get up? Say it now. I don't hear you now.
With my daughter and to see my granddaughter when she enters the world.
Well, I'll be here to take care of her.
Like you took care of Cousin Jane.
Mom, that
Hey guys, it is Saturday. Don't mind me being fried from the sun. It's the next day. I am sitting on the floor because, well, she thinks she's more important. I just filmed a Amazon travel essentials for you guys. I am cleaning the house. Mike and the puppy should be back from Kinston soon, and I'm just making some lunch and gonna finish mopping the floors. But I figured I would start the vlog today. Not really starting the vlog. I don't know, my days are all confused now. Just getting really excited for the trip that we're going on in a couple weeks. Trying to get the house cleaned up and organized and stuff cleaned out and organizing for the trip and, you know, just getting my life together. So I just wanted to check in. I'm gonna finish mopping the floors, eat some lunch, and not sure what we're doing tonight. It's Saturday, so maybe I can persuade Mike to go get a drink. Or we might do something with his parents maybe. Not sure, but I want to get out of the house and I will take you guys along. Alright guys, I'm about to tackle this because this is just literally like unacceptable. And yeah, so I'm gonna work on this for the afternoon. Mike is back with the puppy, just visited with the baby. And I'm gonna clean this stuff up and then figure out what we're gonna do for dinner or tonight's plans, whatever. And I will show you guys once I'm done. Yeah, Mike is outside moving all the cars around because we've got to chop. What the fuck? Squeaky, 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 squeaky. Can you see me? Alright, yeah, so we've got all this construction. Our entire bottom of the house is exposed. So hopefully this tropical storm doesn't destroy. And Mike's moving vehicles around. Out there. We've got this giant box in the driveway, golf cart. I think his car's gonna try to go there and then my car behind it. But yeah, all of this stuff is gonna get stormed on. So that's great. Like, this is literally the bottom of our first floor. This is the garage situation. All of this will be open except our water softener, but that's gonna be gone. Mike's first time in the garage. Or not. Oh. There's nails. Any more? No more nails? That would have been great. You didn't want this in your tire?
No. That's why I was looking.
He's gonna get so close, watch. This is how close Mike gets the freaking cars. I'm gonna keep going. Normally, he basically touches the cars.
The camera's not as good as the truck one.
Yeah. The truck, he will literally, because the truck camera's better than mine, he will literally put the truck right here, and it gives me a panic attack every single time. So yeah, he's gonna finish moving the cars. Actually, it's better that he didn't put these super close because now I can fit through them. So he's gonna finish moving stuff. I'm gonna go inside and finish cleaning, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Oh, the wind is picking up. The storm is coming. This is what I'm talking about. This is how close he puts this shit to my car. If the wind blows, it's gonna wreck my car. Ow. Alright guys, progress is being made. We just had a snack and now I'm getting ready to get back to it. Alright guys, the final product. It's like 9 o'clock at night now, so I'm in pajamas. I do have pants on. I finally got everything organized. Wow, I'm tired, I can't talk. That is like haul stuff and new makeup and products and stuff, so ignore that. This is beautiful, and I even, not only did I clean this off and wiped it all down, I organized every single freaking drawer in here. Like, can we just take a moment to appreciate who am I? Because I am not organized. This is probably the most organized it's been since we moved into the house, just saying. Anyways, that's done. I am tired. I'm about to make like a smoothie or something for dinner because I don't really want to make anything heavy. Can we just take a minute to look how freaking cute Callie is? You're the cutest little puppy in the entire world. You're the cutest dog. Do you hate me? Do you love mom? Do you love mom? You're so cute. Why are you such an angel? You've been in here with me all day. You've been in here all day. She's like, how damn long does it take you to organize your shit? Oh, good girl. That's a good Callie. That's a good girl. Night night. Night night. Good night, y'all.